Fasting foods, also known as fasting-friendly or fasting-compliant foods, are specifically chosen and prepared dishes that adhere to the dietary restrictions observed during periods of fasting. Fasting is a practice found in various cultures and religions, and it often involves abstaining from certain types of foods or beverages for spiritual, health, or cultural reasons. Here's a description of fasting foods and their characteristics. 1. Simple and nutritious. Fasting foods are typically simple, wholesome, and nutrient-dense, providing essential nutrients to sustain energy levels and support overall health during fasting periods. These foods often include fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, nuts, seeds, and plant-based proteins, which offer a variety of vitamins, minerals, fiber, and antioxidants. 2. Plant-based emphasis. Many fasting traditions emphasize the consumption of plant-based foods while abstaining from animal products. Plant-based proteins such as beans, lentils, tofu, and tempeh are commonly included in fasting meals to provide protein and satiety without violating dietary restrictions. 3. Hydration. Hydration is essential during fasting periods, and fasting foods often include hydrating options such as water, herbal teas, and clear broths. These beverages help maintain hydration levels, support detoxification processes, and promote overall well-being throughout the fasting period. 4. Balanced macronutrients. Fasting foods aim to provide a balance of macronutrients, including carbohydrates, proteins, and healthy fats, to sustain energy levels and prevent nutrient deficiencies. Whole grains, such as brown rice, quinoa, and oats, along with healthy fats from sources like avocados, nuts, and olive oil, contribute to balanced nutrition and prolonged satiety. 5. Mindful preparation. Fasting foods are often prepared mindfully, with an emphasis on simplicity, purity, and intentionality. Cooking methods such as steaming, boiling, baking, and sautéing are preferred over frying or excessive use of oils. Fresh herbs, spices, and natural seasonings are used to enhance flavor without compromising the purity of the ingredients. 6. Portion control. While fasting foods are nutritious, portion control is important to avoid overeating and maintain the intended spiritual or health benefits of fasting. Meals are typically portioned to provide adequate nourishment without excessive caloric intake, allowing individuals to feel satisfied without feeling heavy or lethargic. 7. Respect for tradition. Fasting foods often reflect cultural and religious traditions, incorporating symbolic foods or traditional recipes that hold significance during fasting periods. These foods may vary based on regional customs, culinary practices, and individual preferences, but they all share a common commitment to honoring the principles of fasting. Overall, fasting foods are thoughtfully selected and prepared to support individuals during periods of fasting, providing nourishment, hydration, and sustenance while respecting dietary restrictions and spiritual practices. Whether observed for religious observance, detoxification, or personal reflection, fasting foods play an essential role in supporting individuals on their fasting journey.